Today we're going to be backtesting this strategy here, so without further ado, let's get straight to it. Hey traders, I hope you're going extremely well. My name is David and welcome back to my channel where I go through profitable trading strategies. Today I'm going to be answering a question I get every time that I find a brand new indicator that's interesting. Since we tested the stiffness index, it's become a very popular indicator on the David Tech community, and I get this question here every time that I find a new strategy that's quite good. Last week on Friday I come up with a AI trading strategy using the famous turtle trading strategy. The backtesting results looked absolutely awesome, but as always we try to improve our trading strategies here on David Tech, and we've been asked by one of the elite backtesters and a couple of comments inside of YouTube to add the stiffness index to see whether it makes it any better. So today we're going to be doing that. We're going to be adding this stiffness index. I'm going to go through the trading strategy extremely fast, as I already did a video about it here where I go through all of the rules of the setup and how it works. Okay, I guess the best thing is to get straight over to my computer and go through the trading strategy and backtest it as far as I possibly can. But before I go, guys, if that sounds good to you, why not subscribe to the channel? I do videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. We also do live streams on Tuesday talking about profitable trading strategies and how to backtest them and things like that. While you're there, if you don't mind giving the video a good old like, it really helps to grow our community, which is really helpful, and thank you very much for all of your help. You can also find all of the links to David Tech and all of my strategies down in the descriptions below. Right, let's get over to Tradingview and have a look at this strategy. Okay, here I am on Tradingview on the 15-minute time frame on BTC USDT. As you can see, I have already got all of the indicators on my chart ready to go, as I've already been through this trading strategy. If you want to add the indicators, I'll go through what they are in a second. Just go to davidtech.com. You can find a free indicators section at the top here, and you'll be able to find all of the indicators here. Just click on the ones that are interesting to you, like the turtle channel indicator here. Just add it to your favorites and you'll be able to find it on Tradingview. So we have, as I just said, the turtle trade channel indicator by David Tech here. That is giving us our baseline, the buy and sell signals with the green and red line. We have the AI zero lag at David Tech indicator here. These are all free indicators from the David Tech website, as I said earlier. The zero lag AI indicator is very simple. It works on sentiment on the market and gives you green crosses or red crosses. When it goes from green to red, we're looking for sell opportunities. When you go from red to green, we're looking for buy opportunities. The trend direction force index is a very powerful indicator that I've ignored for a long time and has given us some extremely good setups recently. It's slightly offset from the zero, but when it goes green, we're looking to confirm our longs, and when it goes red, we're looking to confirm our shorts. So that's how it goes, guys. The baseline is giving us our trend direction, so we're looking for shorts at this period here. When the AI zero lag goes red, we're looking to confirm that on the next couple of candles with the TDFI, and we would have been able to get a short just here. Boom. Right, and then we'll add our trusty ATR bands indicator by David Tech. We're going to be changing our upper and lower multiplier to 3, just like that. That's going to help us to set our stop loss, and we're going to be looking for a risk to reward of 1.5. Boom! And as you can see, we just made 2.64% out of the market. As you probably saw in Friday's video, the trading strategy itself looked absolutely awesome by itself. Had a humongous net profit on backtesting results. It's currently in forward testing to see whether it continues to work. But one of my elite backtesters and a couple of comments on YouTube asked me to add the stiffness index to see if it made it any better. The stiffness index is this indicator here. Stiffness indicator by David Tech. It's just this one here, a very simple indicator that helps confirm our entries. We're going to put our threshold to 65. As this is already a good trading strategy, we just want to filter out bad trades. But obviously we do not want it to be too strict because we don't want it to filter out all the good trades as well. The stiffness indicator is this yellow line here, and this is our threshold. For us to take a trade, whether it's short or long, the stiffness indicator has to be above our threshold, and that's the only thing we need to know. As you can see, this one here would have actually confirmed and we would have made that trade. Okay guys, that is our setup for today. As I said earlier, it worked very well without the stiffness indicator, but let's hope it's going to make it even better. I'm going to go away and code that. So without further ado, let's get straight to it. Come on, David, and
once again he's gone to code a new strategy. He'll be back in just 5 minutes. Come on, David, show us what you got.
Guys, before I go over to the backtesting results, I'd love to invite you to come and see our brand new website, davidtech.com. By becoming part of the David Tech community, you can get access to all of the David Tech strategies over in the corner here. But not only do you get access to all of the David Tech strategies, you can see all of the trading strategies being traded on live markets here as well. You can see how they're doing over the past 7, 30 and 90 days. All of these settings were given to us by our wonderful community members as the elite backtesters. There's over 500 setups here. Not all of them are profitable, but a lot of them seem to be doing really well. If you go here, you can actually see how they're performing on live markets. You can see the backtesting results, and then by putting this bar here, you can actually see how it's performing on live data. You can see how it's been going recently, and if this is one that you're interested in, either you can copy it over to your own Tradingview and see the chart and the settings, or you can press the copy bot here and just literally copy it straight over to your exchange so you can auto trade with bots. As you can see, you can connect to any of these exchanges here, including Bybit. And the great thing is Bybit is currently giving a reduction on their fees to all David Tech members, which is absolutely amazing. It's a huge edge on the market having lower fees. So don't forget to use the links below. You also get a load of deposit bonuses if you use the David Tech link down below. We also, as a community, get a small kickback. So thank you very much to you, and thank you very much to Bybit. Right, let's get over to the backtesting results. Okay, guys, here we go. Drum roll, please. Boom! Right, okay, as you can see, we're currently on the local results, so not the deep backtesting. I will do the deep backtesting in a second. Without deep backtesting, we have an amazing 68.7% win rate. We have 132% net profit. In comparison to the buy and hold, we would have had a 90% buy and hold. Our Sharp ratio is an amazing 1.32, which is absolutely brilliant. We have a profit factor of 1.9 and a max drawdown of 12%. Let's have a look at the deep backtesting results. Boom. Right, okay, we have a lot less net profit than the previous one on Friday, but it has filtered out a lot of the bad trades as well. So on one hand, we're losing profit, but we are getting a much higher win rate of 60%. We have a 2,273% net profit, 745 closed trades. That's considerably lower than the previous strategy. We have a 1.46 profit factor and a 60% win rate. As you can see from the table here, we've been in a green market all the way back till November last year, and we had a max wins in a row of 9 and max losses in a row of 4. Okay guys, so it really depends on whether you prefer to make a lot more profit and maybe risk a little bit more, or do you prefer a more steady, higher win rate trading strategy. I guess you now have both options. I will be adding the stiffness indicator to that strategy so that you can play around with the settings and find your perfect setup. Okay guys, I have one last thing to do before I leave you, and that is to give away 1 million bonk coin to a random comment on this video here. This was the video I was talking about earlier from Friday. Don't forget guys that you can also win 1 million bonk by commenting your favorite indicator down in the comments down below. I give away 1 million bonk on every single video to a random comment. So let's give away 1 million bonk to a random comment on this video. We have a total of 35 comments. Let's go. Mate, congratulations to you. You just won 1 million bonk for saying hello in the comments. Congratulations to you. See guys, it could be just a very, very simple comment. And after that, I'm going to wish you a wonderful week. I look forward to seeing you in the live stream tomorrow, and also on Wednesday and Friday's video. Take care, keep safe, trade like a boss, have a wonderful week, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Come on, David, and once again he's gone to code a new strategy. He'll be back in just 5 minutes. RSI and MACD.